Good afternoon. I'm Scott Thompson. Here are your trending stories in Green Country. Brand name drugs were significantly more expensive than their generic counterparts in 2017. That's according to a new report from AARP. Researchers analyzed nearly 400 generic drugs, and the average annual cost was $365, but the price for brand name versions was close to $6,800. The PAGE program at the Oklahoma legislature will continue, but with new rules. From now on, male and female pages will not be allowed to serve together. They will serve on alternate weeks. The change comes after a teen girl says she was sexually assaulted at a hotel while participating in the program last month. The boy accused in that assault, also a page, will not face charges. Many of us grew up seeing the Rodgers and Hammerstein Oklahoma at the old Discoveryland Theater in west of Sand Springs, but now the classic play is on a much bigger stage, this time on Broadway. One of the stars appeared on The Tonight Show with Jimmy Fallon earlier this week singing "I Can't Say No." The show is playing now in New York City and will be Broadway's first gun-neutral play. Deadline reports for every gun seen on stage, a donation will be made to anti-gun violence groups. And a new luxury entertainment center is opening next week in South Tulsa. The Synergy Entertainment Center will include 8 movie theaters with reclining heated seats and swivel tables with full waiter service. There will also be 14 bowling lanes, escape rooms, a bar, and a game floor. The $10 million project is near 71st and Memorial at the Village at Woodland Hills Shopping Center.
Well, we have had some fantastic weather out there today. It looks like your Friday night will be dry. Temperatures generally in the 70s, dropping in the 60s by about 10 o'clock tonight. Heading into our Saturday morning, most areas dry. It's not going to be until late morning and into the afternoon with some showers and storms moving in from the southwest. Few of these could be isolated severe with some gusty winds and some hail. They quickly move out late tomorrow afternoon, so tomorrow evening should be quiet before another chance for a few showers and storms late in the day Sunday, mainly across areas of southeast Oklahoma. So as we look at that 10-day forecast, 70s this weekend, very warm next week. Look at Wednesday, mid-80s. Real strong cold front moves in Wednesday night into Thursday, much cooler in the 40s, and lows could dip in the 30s by Friday and Saturday.
Well, be sure to join us at 5 and 6 for your evening news and our next update here at 6:30.